Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Walmart Beauty Box for summer 2023, and I get the trendsetter box. There are different boxes that you can get based on the profile that you fill out. These boxes are $6.98 and they are quarterly, so they come every season. This one says Summer 11. All these products are the different varieties you can get in your boxes. So I will only have about 4 or 5 of these in mine. So let's take a look. First thing I have is from Sally Hansen Salon. It says it's a pro brush kit. Contains a glitter, a gradient brush, a fan brush, and a cleanup brush. That's pretty cool. Guess the glitter's at the bottom. I put Color Street on my nails, so I've never had to use brushes and whatnot. Okay, it does say it contains one of each. Glitter plus gradient brush, fan brush, cleanup brush. Where's the glitter? Am I missing something? So it's just the brushes? I guess it's a glitter gradient brush. Is that what they meant? Like for glitter? So yeah, it's a brush set for your nails. There's no glitter. Yeah, that's what they're calling it. Glitter gradient brush. That's kind of goofy. I don't like the way they worded that, but that's pretty cool. Then next up, number 7, Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum. Suitable for sensitive skin. That's a really big size. It looks to be full size probably. Glad to have that, would definitely use it. Then we have Maybelline The Falsies Surreal. I don't think I've tried that mascara, but happy to have that. Definitely give that a try. Then we have Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm super boring and I don't use bronzer, but it's a big size of it. It says it's a mini butter bronzer, but it's pretty big for a sample. And the last item is from CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss. That looks very summer-like and fun. This one is my, does it say Straw Booty? It sure does. Instead of strawberry, it says Straw Booty. Let me see if this has like a scent or anything to it. I'm hoping it's not really pigmented when it's on your lips. I like that. It smells good. It's not really sticky, but it's thicker. So happy to have that. Very cool. So for $6.97, $6.98, it is a good deal. Sometimes you get like razors or other, full-size items. So it's just fun. Only comes 4 times a year. If you guys are interested, I'll link below to Walmart where you can sign up. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.